That was high, dude. Let's try it. There went the tires.
Right, my hands are cold. I just can't wait no longer. We're running this big bad boy on some dirt track 6-packs today on 12S. You see them in there, 2 of them cnhls. This thing ought to rip. Let's go.
I can tell y'all this, my Hobbywing fan sounds horrible on my Max 4. Wow. Whoa. All right, let's just send it. Wow. This thing's acting funny today. Them wheels are all balloonied up and stuff. That does not help it. Let's launch this baby. That was high, dude. These tires are all out of whack. They've been beat up too much. Oh, I was about to say, don't you dare. Oh, that was way up there, dude. We can get a backflip off this one. Let's hit our first backflip, boys. What do you say? Oh, I just peppered my car. What do you say, boys and girls? First backflip with the big boy? Let's try it. Blew the tires apart. Oh well, got my backflip, we're gonna run it. Blowed apart tire and all, we're running it. We ain't stopping now. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's go, big girl. Show them what you got. Once to get done, let's see if we can hand it back here and see her come at us. I can't really judge it back here, but we're gonna try it. Back tires are blowed apart, y'all. But the front tires blowed apart, I think. I'm gonna try to get back here and really hit this thing before it blows all the way apart. Went off the jump completely, all ass backwards. Let me make sure I'm getting this footage. We're recording, hopefully I'm getting it all. See if I can hit this better, more square. This is amazing, y'all. It's hard to control that tire like that. That thing is getting up there, boy. Tire flapping. Hard to control. Oh. Let's see if we can't get her coming here steady. Blew the old 6-packs apart, y'all. Blew them apart. Yeah! Woo! There's a monster doing backflips like that. It's insane, y'all. Yes! Yes! Needless to say, I'm a happy camper with this setup, this rig. Waiting on her to power herself up. Let's just hit this thing some awkward ways. Oh, tired. That baby looser than a goose in her, y'all. I can't hit the gas because he's tired. The motor don't even feel warm. Impossible. I just blew a tire apart doing them shenanigans. Look at it though. Oh, she's over. Dang, 30-degree north went over. Being blowed up messes him all up. Messes him all up, man. Can't do none of his normal cool guy stuff. He's all over the place. I can't even hit the throttle now, y'all. I know I'm able to give it any gas right now, y'all, so can't really even jump it. You see what it does when it gets in the air? Both tires on that side just get the flapping. They're both gone. Both foams on that side are gone. That's why it's so hard to control. Oh, he hit that thing like a brick wall. Yeah, it sucks. Don't want to tear my body up. I just have to go out here further and get her going. Get her going from a distance. All right, start pouring on it. I didn't even know where I was hitting it at. Blinded it. Yeah, my tire's gone. I have to really slowly pour in the power. I can't turn now, nothing. Yeah, can't get no jumps. Dirt trash just couldn't handle him. Oh, my back wheel's falling off. I'm broke. I'm broke. There's my truck rim just broke. Oh, hell, it's just, wait a minute. Is it the rim? What the hell is that? Oh, it ate the rim up. That's why it ain't going nowhere. I lost drive in the hub. All right, boys and girls, I'm gonna call today on that. I ain't trying to tear it up. That's why it's spinning so bad. I lost rear drive on this back wheel over here too. It's spinning the hub. It burnt the plastic hex clear out of that wheel. All right, y'all. If you ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. And if you wouldn't mind, man, please hit that subscribe button for me. Like, comment, all that good stuff. And we're gonna see y'all on the next one. Peace out. Big boy, let's try it. There went the tires.